G'day folks, how's it going? Aaron here from 4x4 East Coast. So I bought something at Bunnings about 8 months ago. Here it is here. And because I only rent this house, I can't really attach this to the wall. So what I'm thinking, I'll just bring you down here and show you. Rightio. So what I'm thinking, so I'm going to attach this bit of steel to the back of my compressor, which will make a post, and then we'll attach the hose reel up the top here somewhere so it can swivel around, and then we can pump our bloody four-wheel drive tyres up. What do you reckon? Let's get some safety gear on, start cutting some steel up. Alrighty, so you can see what I've done here. I've cut that handle so that a bit of steel fits in there. I've cut the steel so it roughly matches the profile of the tank. Now all I have to do, hook the welder up and we'll put some tacks there and see what it's like. Tacked it there and the same on the other side. So now I'll just run a bead down there and on the other side, and we'll get ready for the next step. Cool when you try to please. It's hard to be cool when you're on your knees. This is roughly the height that it's going to be sitting at. I don't know if you can see that there properly. But I've marked a little white line there, and we'll cut that off, cut the top off. Hey, Mr. What a day, Mr. I am a dip, I will show you mine. Always in the mood for I've chopped this down. I've plugged up the top, just cut a square of steel out and welded it all the way around. I've marked a centre line down this side, and I made 2 of these brackets. Marked a centre line on that. Now the top one, which is going to go right here, I'll weld that one into place. I'll bolt the bracket to it, and then I'll bolt this bottom one to the bottom of the bracket, and then I'll tack that in place, take the bracket off, and then weld it up properly. I hope you understood all that. Alright, check it out. She's all done. It's a bloody good little project for the afternoon. Yeah, I thought I might have a bit of trouble with it tipping over, but I can put a fair bit of weight on that, and the hose comes out pretty easy. Anyway, so all I've got to do is hook the hose up from there down to there, which is this bad boy here. It's already got ends on it, came with the thingo. So yeah, so Good little project. Alrighty, if you like this video, don't forget to give me the thumbs up. Bloody smash that bloody subscribe button down below, and yeah, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.